Hello guys, I'm Charles. Today I would like to give you a very brief introduction to our factory. I would like to show you from raw material to the finished product, what does they have to go through. Okay, let's begin the tour. Now we are standing right in front of the workshop for laser cutting, which means we need to cut all those big pieces into small pieces for the production purpose, to make the form, to cut them into smaller pieces. So let's get into the workshop. Okay, here, these are the two big machines where we cut the metal plates and sometimes the metal parts. As you can see, the machine is already running. And we put the metal sheets inside and the machine will finish the cutting part. Alright, as you can see here, after we cut the metal sheets into smaller parts, we will bend the metal sheets into different forms for different products. For example, these pieces are for the canopies. Okay, this is the second workshop. After we cutting and bending the metal sheets, we'll be doing the welding process in this workshop. So let's get inside and take a look. As you can see right in front of you, these several workers, they are trying to weld the different parts together to form the basic structure of the product. So what we will do after welding the different parts together, we need to polish them, yes. Let's go get inside. And here, as you can see on my right hand side, these workers are trying to polish the bumpers to get rid of the welding, the welding points to make it smooth. Okay guys, here is the third workshop. In this section, you will see the tube bending machines. As you can see in this corner, we have a lot of tubes and we need to form them into different shapes. So after the welding and polishing part, the product is almost finished. But before the painting job, we still need to go through another process. That is to dimple the surface of different bull bars or roof racks. Why we need to do that? Because after we spray the sands on the product, we'll increase different spots for attaching the sprays. So, which means it will be easier to get the products sprayed, powder sprayed. And after we spraying sand on the products, and we still need to go through a secondary polishing process. That is to do the fine job on polishing the surface to make it clean. The final job before painting. Okay? So next we'll go see how the spraying goes. Now right in front of your eyes is a gigantic spraying room. Here you will see the whole process from the original metal parts to after colored parts. Colored parts I mean after spray. Alright? So firstly the products will go through washing. You know, after the polishing part, we need to wash the products. And after washing, we need to dry the products first. And then after drying, we need to go through the powder spraying process. And in the powder spraying process, we have two machines and two manpower, you know, because machines are spraying in fixed positions, so we need to add humans to control the difficult parts that cannot be sprayed by the machines, because we can spray on different angles. With our machine, they spray on a fixed angle. So after the spraying process, we need to go through the heating part, which means we need to put all the products into the oven into a very high temperature, so we can dry it quickly and the surface will become strong. And here, when the products gets out from the oven, they will get to this position where we will measure the paint thickness to verify whether we have used the correct formula or the spray is strong enough. And after the QC point here, we will put all those finished products on a rack ready to be packed. Okay, so after the spray job and the products are almost finished, but before packing, there's one very necessary procedure, that is quality control. So as you can see here, the workers will check the products, the semi-finished products, to see whether they are good enough to be packed. For example, as you can see, the workers already stick out some points that to say the product is in defect, which means it needs to be redone. So we have to redo the job for some specific positions. Okay, so when everything is done, well, what left for us to do is to pack the product, right? So we need to put them in good positions, use the correct materials to pack them like a baby, right? So I guess all the customers are excited to see the products intact and perfectly new conditions. Here is where we make the magic happen. Okay, here is the full workshop of our factory, the warehouse. Here we stack all the products, the products that are finished packing. We stack them together, we load them, also in this area. So let's go inside and take a look and see how many products we have. We have so many products that are already produced and in stock. So even for small orders that we might have in stock. So why don't you just send us whatever you need? We will check the inventory. If we have stock, we can also send 1 piece, 2 pieces. That's how you define the power of a supplier. Okay, this is the 5th workshop of ours. It's also a warehouse. Here you can see it better. For all the products are organized and stacked on different shelves with a modern inventory system.